shuffle, cut, deal, blackjack. Good morning. All right, let's get back to our project. Blackjack Advisor. Let's open up the folder and go to project. Right there. We're gonna make a copy of that last video that we did. Module copy, paste, and change that name to 9. We are moving on. We're getting close to start adding suggestions to the blackjack. Enable that. Alright, so last time we were making sure that the age is adding correctly. Alright, and it's stand 19, that's correct. Let's play again. We want to stand, busted, perfect. Alright, stand, good. So far so good. Let's continue. Let's see if we can get a blackjack here. Let's see if we can get blackjack. See if we can get a blackjack. We're gonna keep doing it until we get a blackjack. So far it's looking pretty good. Just want to get blackjack. Looking for blackjack. Oh, this is a good one. See this right here? I'm going to try to stand here. See the first two? Yeah, that's kind of weird. It adds up to well, all 4 cards add up to 21, but you notice the first 2 cards is 19. If it's 19, it shouldn't continue. All right, see there? I think I know the problem here. Last time we're working on the 2 cards, 3 cards, but this is the first 2 cards right here. So let's do this. Like I said, I'm gonna cheat a little bit here. Click on that and go to a blackjack. Let's take a look. See, the first 2 cards is 19, and we don't want to keep hitting. Display deal sum right here. If ace exists, right here on the 2 cards, right? We want to do exactly the same thing as we did right here, you see. Then we want to say this: copy if ace exists. Even there, hold on, I just noticed something here. If ace exists, we want take that out. We want the sum. We want that to, oops, not that, my bad. We want that to add 10 to it. You see, if there are 2 cards and if ace exists, If it's not a blackjack, then it's something else. Alright, and we don't need to display this second card right here. We don't need to display the second card. So if it's not 11, it's not a blackjack. Otherwise, it will keep doing it. Otherwise, we'll just add the sum. And similarly, if there are more than one card, if there are more than two cards right here, we don't need to add that. We just do this. Then remember, we don't have to display the second one, or because that's an option that the player has. Now that I'm thinking, so if there are more than two cards, we still need to add this guy to it if a success. So I'm just going to streamline this guy like so, makes it nice and legible, like so. Take that, and if out. Oh, they cannot do that right there because it's if then else there, but this is one liner, but here is if then else right here. Alright, so save that, and that's what needs to happen. Alright, we don't need to display the label on the OR. Alright, on the OR. So let's shuffle and deal. Stand 21. Good. Shuffle, deal, hit, stand. We want to see the blackjack. I think that's where we, yeah, I'm gonna stand. Wow, that guy's really getting it. I'm gonna stand. I want to see the blackjack on this the other hand here. Oh, that's an ace. Okay, here's a good one. Here's a good example. Here's a good example. We're gonna stand. So if it's 21, what does it draw again? Right? What does it draw again? See, that's yeah. If it's 21, why we draw again? We shouldn't be drawing it again. We'll say that the sum is 21 right here. We'll say 11 blackjack right here. You see? Oh, got you. If it's a blackjack, it's 21. So I'm gonna copy that. I know why now. See? If it's a blackjack, we're gonna say 21. Because remember, this is a return function here, and it only returns 11. That's the problem right there. Okay, that's the problem right there. So similarly here, if it's a blackjack, we want to no, we don't need to determine that, so that's fine right there. So if it's a blackjack, then it's 21. Yep, that's it. All right, let's hunt for the blackjack. Deal, stand, good, deal. I'm gonna keep standing until we find blackjack on the dealer side, because that's what we are interested in. So that's 20 right there. How come it says 10? So let's we took out the display. Took out the display. My bad. See, we took out the display. Yeah, right here we took out the display. Sorry about that. What needs to happen here? Copy. We just need to, we didn't take out the display, we just displayed incorrectly. We just reorient that guy, move the if Ace exists up first, and this will display correctly. This will display correctly right here. And I'm going to do the same here, just to stay with the just to conform the code. Save. All right, let's try that. That should be right now. Stand. We're looking for dealer's blackjack. Right there. We're gonna stand and see what's going on here. Blackjack. That's exactly what we want. Good. Now, if dealer shows an ace, all right, and we need to check the dealer's hand. All right, in this video, we're gonna check the dealer's hand. If dealer has blackjack, then everybody busts. All right, and we don't need to let these people do the thing. Okay, so that's after the deal. That's after the deal. Let's see how we're gonna do that. Hold on, let's look at the code here. Right here. Right here. Yep. So this is what we all want to do. I'm gonna copy this guy right here. Copy that guy and go to the DL function. Right here, DL subroutine. And I'm gonna find out if dealer has blackjack right here. All right. So I can do if card DB access card value dealer hand 0 plus card DB access card value dealer hand card number 2 equals 11. Remember 1 ace and 10. Then do this. I got that in my clipboard. See there? Then reset control and show the card and display the number. All right, so yeah. Now we need to add the variable I dealer shows. Dim I dealer show as integer, like so. Save. All right, let's take a look. We're looking for the dealer's blackjack, just like what we had there. I'm going to keep standing until we get dealer's blackjack there. That's not blackjack. Wow. Yeah, if it's 21, it's busted. If it's 21, it's busted. But that's not 21. So we gotta add this correctly. See there? That's only 15. All right. So we gotta fix these numbers correctly here. That's only 15. All right. If A shows up, good golly, Miss Molly. If A shows up, we'll add, okay. Let's take a look at this before we continue looking for the blackjack there. You know, these are the things that we got to logic all the way correctly here. Display on the bottom here, display. So right here, right there, there exists and it's a blackjack. Else or right here, display right there. I am going to copy this guy, copy, right, copy. If there you go, I'm going to copy that. Oopsie, my bad. I wanted to copy this guy right here. You see here, copy all the way to the bottom here, copy. We're going to say like so, else, and if. So that's how we wanted to do. So once we add this number to a 10, all right, we want to make sure that, you know, the number does not go over 21. If it goes over 21, it means it's busted. Otherwise, display the number. All right, so that's that's it. That's it. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Deal. We're gonna stand. Busted. We want to see the first two numbers. See there, that guy's shuffle, deal, stand, 20, shuffle, deal, 21, deal, 18. Looking for ace or blackjack on the dealer side. See how it's got busted now? Before it displayed the number 21 or 22. Now it doesn't display the 22 or more. We're looking for dealer's blackjack. Come on, dealer, get blackjack. Come on, dealer. Oh yeah, this see there? You notice this one says split right here? Well, let's go ahead and disable that. Remember, we hard code that in there. That would be this not display, right? Yeah, display dealer hand player. There you go, right here. See this one, we hard coded in here. Let's go ahead and take that out. Okay, we'll go ahead and take that out. Similarly, we need to go ahead and take that out. We hard code it in there because we want to split and test our code. So take these out. There. Now it's going to display correctly. Now this control is going to set correctly. All right. So let's save that. Save. Let's continue hunting down for the blackjack. I'm going to stand. See how it doesn't show this split? Now, that's only 15. So, I want to see the card here. Display right here, deal of sum. If else exists, let's manipulate this a little bit here. If else exists, display deal of sum at 220. Okay. You can add and display deal of sum is less than 17. So that's how so if it's less than 17, then we want to add this guy to 10, you see. So 17, that's good. All right. Otherwise we just keep hitting. All right, so I think that's going to work right there. Just add this bit right here. I had to think about it a little bit here before we can add the 10, because if it's 17, then he's not going to come in here and add the 10. All right, he will just keep hitting. All right, so let's try that. I think that's going to work. Let's shuffle and deal. So let's add this guy. See this blackjack right here? So if it's a blackjack and there's only one play, we don't need to do this. All right, so to prevent that from happening, I think what we can do here, to prevent that from happening, we can do this. Now that happens, busted. How about add blackjack? All right, I'm gonna copy that. We need to initialize it just like we did with the busted. So let's go to initialization subroutine. Reset right here. Set player control. So we need to make sure this guy is false as well. Save. All right, and this is where we need to identify when this guy stands right here. When this guy stands and not blackjack, you see, and not blackjack. So if it's blackjack, we want to keep if not blackjack, then we want the dealer to keep drawing. But if player has a blackjack, then we just display and don't do anything with the dealer or with the player. All right, so we add the blackjack there, and now we need to say go to the player's hand, display player right here. When there's a blackjack right here, we'll say blackjack true. Similarly, case 2, set 2, blackjack. We need to add true. We need to add true. Yep, we got to get all these kings out. So this is part of coding. If you enjoy coding, welcome to the world of coding. All right, so that's a logic. All right, now this is good that it happened this way. All right, so if it's blackjack and there's no more split, dealer doesn't have to draw. All right, actually Well, you know what? If there's a set 1, set 2, set 3, it depends. We're gonna tackle that when we get there. Because if we split these two cards, all right, the first one could be a black into 21. Okay, so if we split, we don't care. All right, if we split, we don't care because we're gonna have to keep drawing. Okay, so this is good. All right, let's shuffle. Deal. I'm gonna just keep standing until I see dealer's hand's got blackjack or an ace. We are interested in an ace. Ace is a little complicated here. All right. See there? That shouldn't. Yeah. You should not draw a card. That's 17. Let's take a look why he keeps drawing a card on the other side. Let's go see a deal player right here. Deal player. Oh, that should be equal, greater than 16. All right, so we're gonna change this to 16 instead of 17. 16 because greater than 16 is 17. You see, and then he would stop drawing. All right, so that's the logic. That's the logic. All right, we got that. Okay, stand. Busted. That's good. See there, it's got 16. He must draw. That's why. All right. We want to see 21. Wow, that's good. That's good. See, the 2 of this guy and 3 of this guy, 16 plus 5. That's good. I'm just gonna keep standing, looking for 21. Looking for the dealer, the ace or the blackjack on the other side. Alright, so far our code is doing good. Oh, this is good right here. You see there? Now it's correct. Now it adds up correctly. Before we would say funky stuff. Now this is correct. This is correct. Alright, 6, 5, 10, and 5, 6, and this adds up to 10, to 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is 19. That's perfect right there. Good. That is what we want. Now it's adding correctly. All right, let's try some more. We want to see the ace and that. That's 19. Try some more. I mean, we would have to go through this a long time, and you know, see blackjack. With blackjack, and you don't need to deal. Good. See, that shows up correctly now. Now we get that right. So if dealer has a blackjack, I mean, if player has a blackjack, you don't need to deal. All right, you don't need to deal for the dealer because you already did. All right, let's try that again. So far so good. I'm gonna stand on that one. Good. Hit. We're still looking for ace or blackjack on the dealer side. Busted. So far we are doing real good here. There. Now that's 9. 9 or 19. Now why does it say 9? Alright, let's go find out. 9 or 19. Let's go find out. That should say 19, by the way. Display right here, there is some. 2 cards. Oh, we didn't add this guy. You see here, copy. We need to make sure we get this number right. Display dealer sum. This is for the 2 cards. So see right here, that's 10. It already displayed this guy right here. Alright, but this one's got an ace and this one's got an ace. This ace is 21 blackjack. But this ace is different. It adds a 10 to it. But we forgot to redisplay this guy. You see there? Alright, so that's good. These are the kings that you have to get out from the code. Why did it stop? Huh? Or maybe I clicked too hard, too fast. Stand. Busted. Hit. Deal. Stand. Busted. Good. That's 17. That's good. That's 10. That's perfect. See that? That's a good example too. We had 17 and it kept drawing. All right. Now we get 17. We just do it. All right. So that's good. Okay. We just keep. We're looking for blackjack or aces. That's the dilemma we have on the dealer side. The player side is good. Player side is good, I think. So far so good. Well, okay. So this should be 14 right here. I thought we had it right. Yeah, that should be 14. So if we say less than less than 16. I get all this hold on, the first two cards, else this guy plus this guy, this guy plus this guy is 5 and 15, 14. That's 14, 15. So if that's 15, oh hold on, it's more than 3 cards right here. It's busted. It's more than 3 cards. It will never get to here. See, if this guy is less than 3, then okay, then if this guy is busted, so it's going to jump to here. If ace is less than 17, it's going to add 10 to it. So ace is less than 17, meaning the first 2 cards is less than 17, which is 5, or 15 right here, or 15. So we know that's 5. 5 plus that guy is 14. And why does it say bust? So 11. So it is less than 14. This guy, that should be, yeah, that don't stand there. Because ace plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. If it's 5, yeah. think I know what it is. I think it adds all these up together. That makes it 14. And 14 plus 10 is 24. But if it's more than 3 cards. Well, I wonder if age exists and is less than 21, 22. Okay. I think I know what it is. So we can say if age exists and the sum plus 10 is less than 22, then we'll stop. Then we'll come in here. That's yeah, I think that's yeah. So we want to add this guy first. We want to, before we add this guy, before we make this guy the number, whatever number it is, we want to see if this guy plus 10 is less than 22, then less than 17, rather 17, because 17 we're going to stop. Less than 17, then you come in there. I think that's going to work. I think it's going to work. Let's take a look. Yeah, see this, yeah, this is less than 17. We're just going to keep hitting. All right, so let's take a look. I'm going to stand. We're looking for the ace. Nice. So that check happened right there. You see that what we did there? We did that. We couldn't test it because where's the deal? Give me the deal. Give me the deal. Where's the deal? Oh, where's the deal? Right here. See there? Perfect. That's the deal. When we first deal the card, we want to check if dealer has blackjack. That's good. That is good. We did it right there. Excellent. We add this code, but we never got to test it because we were looking for blackjack. And now that blackjack shows up. See these guys right here? Players are dead. They cannot make any action. That's good. Excellent. Now we still need to add this ace to the little numbers. Alright, so looking for the ace. There, that's a good one right there. So we got 12, 14, 15. See that, the ace? And bust. Perfect. I think we did it right there. You see that code that we just had a little blank fart right there? Display, yeah, right here. Right here. So see right here, if there's an ace and if these two guys, if this guy at plus 10 is less than 17, all right, come in here. Otherwise don't, because we want the dealer to stop at 17. You see, at least. All right, let's try again. So that first one passed. Blackjack again. Nice. We are getting real close now. Looking for an ace. Come on. Let's see, let's count that. See, that looks like it's doing the right thing there. 6. That's 15. First 3 cards, 15. You see there? Wait a minute. Yeah, 15, that's 22. Alright, shuffle. That's looking good so far. The aces are doing the right thing. Aces are doing the right thing. That's what we, yeah. These are the logic that, you know, we go blackjack again. Nice. Blackjack again, back to back. Let's stand on that one. 20, push. Nice. 11. Now why did it stop? So this is yeah. Why did it stop? Oh, I know why. Look, the deal has to do with the deal. Has to do with the deal. The deal is up here somewhere. Deal. Right here. See, we say if you are 11. That's bummer. We don't want that. Well, that code is good, by the way. What we want here, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you why. Copy. All right. You see what I'm doing now? We are looking for an ace. Alright, got you. I'll go back and fix you. We are looking for an ace. You see there? We want the card value to be 1 or we're looking for the card number 1 to be 1 or the card number 2 to be 1. If the card number 1 is 1 or the 2 is 1, then we want to add them up. You see, that's the problem right there, and that's why it stopped at 11. You see there? At 11. So let's save that. That's good. Yeah, I mean, this is all testing right here. We are doing the testing. Blackjack. Nice. Now, we know Blackjack works. We just need to look for the ace. Let's see. Come on, show up aces. Blackjack. Wow, we're getting lots of blackjack. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. So far, I think we are doing it. I think we've done it right. See there? Last time we had ace 5 9. 3 cards. Not the first one. We only had 3 cards. And it says it's busted. It says 24. Remember? Now it's adding correctly. Wow, that's good. Well, that's what we came to do to clear out all the kinks. I think we are good to go now. All right. The next video, we are going to show the result. Meaning, we're gonna see if this guy is won or this guy is lost. We're just gonna have results right here. Won, lost, or winner, loser. Winner, loser. We just have, right, we're just gonna have another label somewhere on this set right here and say, and go through all the set and compare, see who's winner, who's not winner. All right. So yeah, it's gonna see that, gonna see what it's going. All right, what it's doing. That's that for that. Let's play one more hand. Yeah, you know what, we're gonna stand with that 9. We're gonna hit 20. We're gonna stand on that one. You are 1. That's what we came to do, to clear out all the kinks, making sure all the numbers are adding up correctly, especially the aces. We're having issues with aces on, all right, on the dealer side. So that's that for now. Happy programming and see you next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.